For the last several days, I've been tooling and carving. I've got some examples of my practice pieces here, which are they're leather coasters, and that's where I kind of hone my skills and stay sharp with my tooling and carving. Um, I've got some saddle parts here that I've tooled and carved, as well as the saddle over here. And on my big pieces, I do a pencil drawing and then transfer that to the wet encased leather. This piece is wet. This other piece right here is drying out, and it's about time to put the to bevel this. And I'll show you a close-up of the tools I use. Pretty much 5 stamping tools, 1 swivel knife. This is a Barry King brass barrel swivel knife. It's a 1/2-inch barrel. It has the hollow ground blade, straight blade, a 1/4-inch width. And I believe this is the thin one. I use a Maul Master 2, the lighter one, and then I have an extra light stamping maul that I use. And then I have some others I use from time to time. A Barry King, another Maul Master, a craft tool, and on occasion this homemade leather maul. That's what I actually started out tooling with. Let's see, what else? That pretty much covers it. I like to carve a coaster here just to show you what I do. And I'll show you a close-up of these tools here. Craft tool B803, B802, a tool that I made myself. It kind of got an angle on it and comes to a point. 888 tool, it's a craft tool, and a modified craft tool that I use for highlighting my tooling. And then the Barry King swivel knife, and the 2 mauls that I use the most. And look at some practice pieces I've done here. Kind of turns into artwork after a while, and you can make these pieces and sign the back and date them, and then you have something that people might want, and you can sell. Okay, I'm going to have a little fun carving a flower here. I've got this piece wet and cased. It's ready to go. Start with my flower center. this is just something you can have fun and at the same time practice your carving skills and see what you can come up with new, or just keep your muscles trained and up to speed. Now with the little beveling, I can kind of brighten and raise that up. I'll be using a B802 and 803, and I think you can see you can have a lot of fun with this and do it in a fairly speedy time. Appreciate you watching this video, and I hope it gives you some ideas and how you can have fun with tooling and carving leather.